We have something exciting here today. Now, this is the 2019 Mercedes-AMG E63S. It's a very remarkable and exciting car. In today's video, we'll go on a brief tour of the exterior, the interior, and go on a test drive. What I do love about this engine is that it's a handcrafted AMG 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine, and it produces a staggering 603 horsepower with 627 pound-feet of torque. And this car has a 9-speed automatic transmission as well as 4MATIC all-wheel drive. Now, 0 to 60 in this E63S takes you 3.3 seconds, which is pretty remarkable considering that this car weighs about 4,500 pounds. That puts it in the range of supercars. In addition, this car has 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. Top speed on this E63S is 186 miles per hour. It's truly one of a kind, the last generation V8s that you can buy today. So we'll go on a test drive and really put this car to the test. As you can see, this style is still very iconic. I think it's still very reminiscent of an aggressive AMG front fascia that we've all come to love. We have power domes in the hood. The Mercedes star sits flush on it as well. We also have a very aggressive front fascia with the high gloss black elements around the outer air intakes, which have 2 horizontal fins, a number of sensors down here. This is a very aggressive front diffuser. The Mercedes Star houses your active distance distronic systems. These are basically your driver packages, which help with the lane keeping assist or the evasive driver features of this car. There is a front-facing camera down here, and I still love the iconic presence of the Mercedes Star, and the AMG badge sits on the right-hand side. We also have LED high-performance headlights. To the side perspective, we also have very good looking twin 5-spoke rims. These are AMG forged rims, and the size of the front tires is 265/35R20. These are 20-inch rims. The front discs are perforated as well as slotted. We also have red brake calipers with the AMG insignia as well. This car has a V8 bi-turbo engine, which is why we have this element right here. 4MATIC Plus, which means that this car has a variable torque distribution system. If you put it in the Sport Plus mode, you can have all the power sent to the rear axle to give you a fully rear-wheel drive car. The side profile is chrome elements all around the windows, and the size of the rear tires is 295/30R20. These are also twin 5-spoke 20-inch AMG forged rims. And how about the LED taillights? Last generation, I think they look pretty iconic as well. We have the E63 insignia S on the right, AMG on the left-hand side. Storage isn't a lot. It's about 13.1 cubic feet of storage. One other thing, this car has a performance exhaust system, which sounds absolutely phenomenal. The tailpipes are finished in chrome with the AMG lettering as well, all across. And we also have an aggressive rear diffuser right here with the chrome exhaust tailpipes. These are the quad exhaust tailpipes. Let's jump inside and see what we have. We have room for about 3 adults in the back. We have leather as well as Alcantara, and pretty much standard leg room inside here. You can see I have more than enough headroom as well as leg room. This chair is actually all the way back, which is why there isn't a ton of space, but wood trim, Burmester speaker system, all these features you can find in a 2024 or a 2025. Nothing has changed on the interior as much in terms of the upholstery or the leather as well as the trim features. All right, let's go on a drive. And this 2019 Mercedes-AMG E63S 4MATIC sedan. Here we are in the interior of the E63S. I'm going to also adjust the dynamic select options right here. Let's wait for the screen to come online. I still love this legacy look on this E63s. Still iconic. I'm gonna set it to the Sport Plus mode, and this car does have race mode, which is remarkable as well. And I'm also gonna go here and switch to dynamic select options and dynamic data. This is such a super low mileage E63s. It's got 11,000 miles, despite the fact that it's a 2019. So basically the owner drove 2,000 miles or 3,000 miles, and it's broken in. Sounds incredible. Wow, it takes off. I mean, 3.3 seconds is so hard to reach in this car. It's got a ton of power, fully broken in, so you don't have to worry about pushing the car pretty hard. Wow, it's just taking off. Brakes are pretty solid as well. It's quick. It's definitely quick. The 9-speed automatic transmission is also perfect in this E63s. I think if I was to get a pre-owned car or a certified pre-owned Mercedes-AMG, I would definitely go for an E63s 4MATIC sedan. It's got a ton of power, still what we used to have in this car. I'm also going to adjust another screen here. Let's look at the engine data as we begin the drive again, and change some of the screens here. So it has the legacy system, which is not too bad. I think it just looks very... It's just what I was pretty much used to for Mercedes-AMG, right? I love the central star. It looks pretty nice. So that's 3.3 seconds in this E63s. Takes off pretty quick. I'm also going to adjust the temperature to clear the mist at the front. So first things first, seats are very comfortable in this car. We have lumbar support. We also have thigh support. Power memory seats 1 to 3, heated as well as cooled seats. Another option, I believe we do have seat kinetics in this car. Right here we have seats for the driver's seat. We have heating, balance as well in the car. Climate control as well as air freshener, ionization. So I think the only difference between this car and the newer E-Class is just you still get the same features, but the entire infotainment system is totally changed, upgraded. Let's go ahead and you can also see how much tire pressure you have in your car, the PSIs, and all the good stuff. Of course, this is not MBUX. Can't really say, hey Mercedes, there's no voice assistant in this car. There is, but it's just the legacy one. I don't know how it works. You have to use the buttons to control the voice assistant. Press it down. So it doesn't have a function set already. So overall, it's a pretty remarkable car. And center console, love the AMG insignia right here with the wood trim. I just love how it feels. This is still legacy system, infotainment system. Love the wood trim, circular air vents. Obviously doesn't have a touchscreen as well. So that's the only thing you lose in this car. It has 64 colors ambient lights inside here. We do have a simple sunroof at the top, and AMG performance steering wheel with the flat bottom design. Pretty much the same features you would get with any AMG, right? Pretty nice. And that's pretty much it, guys. Quick look at the 2019 Mercedes-AMG E63S. Truly one of a kind, truly iconic. Love the seat design. And that's pretty much it. I have the key right here. It's actually that's the key with the black Pinot liquid trim with the upholstery back badging on the back. And that's it, guys. Definite a buy in my books. E63S 2019. Till next time, stay positive. Peace.